Mastering file automation with Python involves creating a script that categorizes files based on type, date, or custom criteria. This project enhances productivity by reducing manual sorting, allowing for efficient digital workspace management. By automating folder organization, you streamline processes, minimize errors, and focus on more critical tasks, ultimately boosting overall efficiency. Automating file organization enhances productivity by streamlining digital management. Manual sorting is inefficient and unsustainable in today's fast-paced environment. Automation not only saves time, but also reduces errors, ensuring files are consistently organized. This approach is essential for maintaining efficiency in a world where digital clutter is a growing challenge. The average user faces a digital clutter crisis, accumulating thousands of files annually. Downloads folders quickly overflow with unsorted files, leading to hours wasted weekly on manual sorting. Automation offers a solution, drastically reducing errors by 85% and saving users significant time, ensuring efficient and consistent file organization. Visualize a downloads folder in disarray, PDFs, images and videos jumbled together with compressed files lost in the chaos. This clutter exemplifies the issue our automation script addresses. Poor file organization can cost knowledge workers up to 150 hours annually in lost productivity, highlighting the need for efficient solutions. Our project aims to build a Python script that categorizes files by type, analyzing extensions to determine categories like images, documents, and videos. It dynamically creates folders only when needed, avoiding empty ones, and safely moves files while handling naming conflicts. The script is designed to be reusable and extensible for various file types and structures. Core Python concepts are crucial for file automation. Variables store data, while loops and conditionals control flow. Functions encapsulate logic for reuse. Exception handling ensures robust error management. These elements form the backbone of our script, enabling efficient file categorization, folder creation, and file movement. The OS module is crucial for interacting with the operating system, listing files, creating directories, and navigating paths. Use os.listdir to list contents, os.makeDirs for nested folders, and os.path.join for cross-platform paths. The Shootle module excels in moving and copying files with error handling, while pathlib offers a modern, object-oriented approach to path manipulation, enhancing readability and maintainability. File extensions, like .jpg or .pdf, identify file types. They follow the last dot in file names. Python dictionaries map folder names to extension lists, enabling flexible categorization. Define categories, map extensions, iterate through files, and organize them automatically. This approach allows easy script extensibility by adding new categories without altering code structure.